Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn determination of order of a reaction, that is part of chemical kinetics chapter. Suppose for a reaction that is A to P, A is the reactant and P is the product and K is the reaction constant. Then rate are equal to concentration by time equal to K into e to the power n. A is the initial concentration of the reactant and n nothing but order of reaction. Then when n equal to 0, that is zero order reaction, n equal to 1, n equal to 2 and so on, n equal to n. N equal to 1 first order reaction, n equal to 2 second order and n equal to n nth order. Now from the equation 1, we get concentration by time equal to K into e to the power n, e to the power n, that is concentration of reactant n, and we know concentration is the number of moles by volume, that is moles per liter. Now K equal to concentration by time into concentration to the power n. Okay, then equal to concentration to the power 1 minus n equal to time inverse. And now put the unit of concentration and time, that is mole into liter inverse to the power 1 minus n into second inverse. Now we get K equal to mole into decimeter to the power minus 3 whole 1 minus n into second inverse. We know 1 liter equal to 1 decimeter cube. Now K equal to liter n minus 1 into mole 1 minus to the power 1 minus n into second inverse. And how we get, okay, we understand this. Okay, once again, we know liter inverse mole inverse, sorry, liter inverse mole whole power 1 minus n equal to liter to the power n minus 1 into mole inverse. That is how we get. And now our equation is ready, and then we determine the order of a reaction from this equation. Now see carefully, n equal to 0, that is k equal to L to the power n here 0 0 minus 1 into mole 1 minus 0 into second inverse. That is mole liter inverse second inverse, and it is the reaction, the unit of zero order reaction. And now n equal to 1, that is first order reaction, and we get unit of first order reaction, that is second inverse. And in this process we determine unit of any order reaction. Hope you understand this formula and this concept. Now we do a question for clear the concept. Okay, if k equal to k equal to L to the power 4 mole to the power minus 4 into second inverse, then find out the order. Okay, let's see. We always remember general formula, that is we know k equal to L to the power n minus 1 into mole into 1 minus n into second inverse. Then we compare with the question, that is L into the power L to the power n minus 1 equal to L to the power 4, that is n minus 1 equal to 4, we know, that is n equal to 5. And that is other process. You can follow one process, that is mole to the power 1 minus n into mole to the power minus 4, that is 1 minus n equal to minus 4, that is n equal to 5. that is fifth order reaction. Okay, hope you all understand the concept. If you if you have any question regarding topic and something others, you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, thank you very much.